I connected a free VPN to my Vivo phone without any app. Let's see how to connect a free VPN from the settings of the Vivo phone. Open Settings. Tap on More Connections. Tap on VPN. Tap on a VPN network. Select the ICAV2 IPSEC type from here. Now enter a name. Now you need to enter a VPN server address here. You will get the server address from the internet browser, so go to the browser. Type VPN Janted and search. Tap on Menu. Tap on Free VPN. Select Free AKV to type from here. Scroll down. Now select the country where you want to use the VPN. Scroll down. Now tap on Create Username. Now you need to create a username and password. The username and password are now created. This is your username and password. This is the VPN server address created for you. Now copy it. Now paste the VPN server address here. You will get the IPsec identifier from the browser. Copy and paste the IPsec identifier from here. Now enter the username and password you created here. After doing all this, tap OK. VPN is created on your phone. Now you need to download the IPsec CA certificate on your phone. Tap Share. Save it in your file manager. Now go to Settings. Search for CA certificates. Tap on CA certificate. Tap on CA certificate. Tap on Install anyway. Enter your lock screen password. Now install the IPSEC certificate you downloaded. Now it is installed. After installing, go to VPN. Tap on the VPN you created. Tap on Edit. Tap on the IPsec CA certificate option. Now select the certificate that you downloaded and installed on your phone from here. Now re-enter the username and password you created here. Turn on VPN on your phone. Enter the username and password you created. Tap on Connect. Now the Vivo phone is connected to the VPN. This is how you can connect a Vivo phone to a VPN without apps.